Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info. Today I have Samsung Tab S6 Lite and I want to show you how add event to your calendar on this device. To do that, open calendar application. In it, tap on day when we want to add our event, maybe 22, and there this plus icon. First step, you can add title of your event, what you need. There we can add emoji which you see in your calendar and change color of your notification about this event. There we can set when event start, in which time and finish, or by the switch we can set it will be all day. Location of our event. There we can add event to family to our group on Gmail calendar member. There we can set when events we can get alert about this event, maybe day before event at 5 o'clock or what you prefer. Repeat of that if we need it, maybe every month, every year, or we can set don't repeat it. Notes to that, we can make video conference when event starts. You can add attachment, invite some people to that, and after you set all you need, you mustn't add everything. Press save and you have it in your calendar right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.